In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. You'll be having this Microsoft Store. Open it, and here in the Microsoft Store, just search for WhatsApp, and you'll be having the first one, WhatsApp, the social one for free, and this is the official one from WhatsApp Inc. And just look at the number of ratings. Okay, so just click on get. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient till then. Once the installation is complete, you'll be getting here an option called as open. If you go to search and type WhatsApp, you'll be having the WhatsApp app over here. We can create a desktop shortcut or just pin it to taskbar, and you'll be having it over here. So just open it, and we'll be getting the WhatsApp desktop application interface. Just click on login. There are two ways to log in into WhatsApp. Either we can do it by the WhatsApp app that we have on our mobile phone, or else we can just select login with phone number. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.